requires an immense level of precision, and now it's becoming easier than ever before, and that's all thanks to the help of robots. 18 News reporter Julio Avila explains just how technology continues to advance medical care. Julio?
Ryan, surgeries more precise and the chance of malpractice reducing, all thanks to robotics. For years, doctors have performed surgeries by hand. Then at the turn of the 21st century, doctors welcomed new assistants, robots. The robots' goal, making operations more precise and to continue making what was once complicated even less complicated.
The robots have become better from a standpoint of their maneuverability. The robotic arms are becoming smaller. We're trying to use new technologies such as bringing in imaging, trying to understand extrasensory information so that we can do safer operations for patients.
In a profession where safety is paramount, Dr. Vineet Agrawal knows the benefits of having his own Iron Giant.
We operate deep down in the pelvis, where we operate on the bladder and the prostate. Those organs are quite difficult to reach with standard laparoscopy, even if one was avoiding open surgery. That's where robotics allows you to really turn the instruments at an angle, and the 7 degrees of freedom of movement is almost like having your hand inside without actually having it inside.
As for recovery time,
in terms of open surgery, a patient would typically spend 1 or 2 days longer.
But with robotics, a patient is out the door sooner.
I did 2 patients on Tuesday, and they both went home yesterday.
And though the robots are getting more advanced, Dr. Getman says they aren't entirely flawless.
One limitation of the robot currently is that there's no ability to actually feel the tissues when you do robotic surgery. In those particular situations where you really need to touch the tissues or palpate the tissues, that would be where an open surgery would really be beneficial.
Now, both Getman and Agrawal say robotic surgeries are covered through insurance, Medicare, and even Medicaid. Just make sure to check with your provider before requesting any kind of operation. Reporting in the studio, Julio Avila, 18 News.